Hello, James Graney here from InternetBizUni.com, and in today's video I'm going to be answering a couple of questions that I have received. These are questions that I've received via email that I simply haven't had a chance to answer recently. I've been caught up just doing my own business, carrying on as usual with my own business, and I just simply haven't had a chance to answer these questions. So again, if you have any questions throughout this video, then please drop them down in the comments below this video, and if it's something that's easy to answer, I'll simply answer it in the comments, or if it's something that will take more kind of a discussion, then you can simply ask it down there and I will answer it on a future video like this. This is something that I've been meaning to do a lot more of, and I will do a lot more of it in the future, is answer questions like this. So I'm just going to jump into the question now. Okay, so the first question that I'm going to answer comes in from Dave. I also got this question asked in the Internet Biz Uni Brand Builders Help Group on Facebook in the past, and I forgot to answer it. So that's why I'm going to jump into it now, because I've got it asked a separate time by email. So it's time to get this question answered once and for all. And it's simply, how do you rank products on Amazon.co.uk, and does the ranking process differ from Amazon.com? So just to answer your question, from my selling experience, selling on the different Amazon platforms, it doesn't differ what way you rank products. The main way that you get products ranked is by making sales. This is the main thing. Again, I have a video that goes through how I believe the Amazon algorithm works from selling on it, and I will link this video up here, but it's the same thing whether you're selling on Amazon.com, Amazon.co.uk, or any of the Amazon EU platforms. And these are the only ones that I'm going to speak about, because these are the only Amazon marketplaces that I sell on. But no matter which ones of these you sell on, their algorithm works the same. And if you really want to focus on improving your rank, then simply focus on improving your sales. If you can improve your sales in any way, it will improve your rank, as long as you are indexed for the keywords that you are trying to get ranked for. And again, I have a video that explains how you can check if your product is indexed for the different keywords that you want to check out to see that it's indexed for them. But once it is, once you start getting sales, your product will move up in the rankings. Again, I have found that getting sales from outside of Amazon improves the ranking greater than getting sales from Amazon PPC. But you can check all that out in the video that I will link up in the description if you want, further detail on it. That's a 10-minute video, and it goes through everything that I've found about the Amazon algorithm. But to simply answer your question, no, there is no difference the way the Amazon algorithm works on Amazon.co.uk or Amazon.com or Amazon EU. They're simply the same algorithm that's behind them all, or if there is differences, they're very slight. The main thing that you can do to improve your product ranking and get, higher up in the ranking is get sales onto your product listing. And the second question that I'm going to answer comes from Joshua, and it simply asks, what is the easiest way to start making money online? So again, Joshua, I've no background on you. I don't know what you're good at, what you're not good at. But for me, the easiest way that I found making money online when I was brand new to it, and again, I don't know if you're brand new to it or have been doing it for a while, but when I was brand new to it, the easiest way that I found making money online was simply purchasing products, purchasing items from eBay and selling them on Gumtree. Gumtree is the exact same as Craigslist in the US. It's simply the UK's version of a classified website where you can literally list anything for sale. It's free to list products for sale. And I would simply purchase products from eBay, list them onto Gumtree, and people will come to my house in London and purchase the product from me. Again, I've purchased products off Gumtree in the past and sold them onto eBay, and this again is very simple to set up. You just have to set up an eBay account to do this. And then what I done was I moved on to Amazon and started selling products on Amazon that I was purchasing from other websites and purchasing from retailers. And that is what I found as the easiest way to start making money online. But again, if you have a skill, we'll say if you're good at making websites, then you might find it easier to put up an ad that you'll make websites for local businesses and you can get work that way. Just focus on a skill that you already have. And the third question that I'm going to answer comes in from Sarah, and it states that I'm just starting my own private label brand on Amazon. What what type of products would you advise me to avoid with my first private label product? Okay, and the answer that I'm going to give you is just based on my own experience. Again, there's no scientific data behind it or anything like that. But if I was starting my first brand on Amazon today, the type of products that I would avoid will be products made out of silicone. And why I say that is because these are the markets that get saturated the quickest. I've just noticed this from looking at it down through the years, that any product made out of silicone, even if it's in a good market, you're checking out the market at the time, you're looking at Jungle Scout, looks like a good market to enter, these markets get saturated the quickest. Simply, it gets so much competition coming in and the price just gets bet down really low, really quick on products that are made out of silicone. And I don't know the exact reason for it, but just at a guess, it's probably that there's a lot of Chinese manufacturer who makes products out of silicone, and they're constantly looking at Amazon for ways to find new products to sell to make out of silicone, because whatever it is about it, once a product is doing well that is made out of silicone, the price just gets bet down and lots of competition comes in on it. So Sarah, to answer your question, if there was one market that I would avoid or one product type that I would avoid, it's products that are made out of silicone. I would advise you to avoid these markets just because they get saturated so quickly on the various Amazon marketplaces. And that wraps it up. So that's the 3 questions answered. But if you have any other questions, then please leave them down in the comments below this video. And if it's something that just takes a simple answer, I will just answer it in the comments. Or if it requires more detail, then I will shoot a video going into detail with my answer on it. So definitely leave your questions down in the comments below this video. Also, if you haven't already started your own private label brand and this is something you want to do, you want to start your own brand of products on Amazon, you want to start your own unique brand, then you can check out the unique private label course. I will leave a link down in the description. If you click on this link, you can see all the videos that you get inside when you sign up for the course. Or if you have already started your own private label brand and you're looking for ways to grow your sales, grow your profit on it, I will be opening the advanced private label course again in the future. I actually don't know for exact when I'm going to open this. It's currently closed, but you can leave your email address and I will email you when I open it. Again, I will leave a link down in the description to the advanced private label course. I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and again, keep the questions coming if you do have any questions in regards to private label, Amazon FBA or anything like that. I look forward to speaking to you on the next video. Bye.
Yeah.